Here are the key features of the Powerbrick Home Energy Storage System, manufactured by GSL Energy. This product is a battery system that stores energy, detects outages, and automatically becomes your home's energy source when the grid goes down. The system can be paired with the solar array, which offers a perfect alternative to gasoline generators. It will keep up a reliable, clean energy supply without upkeep, fuel, or noise. Scalable design. The system consists of individual battery bricks, each of them with 165 ampere per hour capacity, providing 8.45 kilowatts per hour energy output, allowing to stack up to 15 bricks together, building up to 134.4 kilowatts storage system. The system can be charged both from solar arrays and from the grid power, offering versatile operation options. Each battery has an independent, intelligent management system, ensuring smart and efficient power supply. Pure sine wave output ensures low interference and seamless transition to backup power. These are very easy to install and operate. Convenient plug-and-play design let you rest assured of a quick and trouble-free setup. For these, we choose lithium iron phosphate battery technology, which offers a lot of advantages compared with other battery types. LFP batteries don't require maintenance, are compact. Each brick requires just 0.29 square metre area and offer a long service life, up to 10 years or 6,000 cycles at 80% depth of discharge at 25 degrees Celsius temperature. LFP batteries also charge significantly faster than their conventional lead-acid counterparts, have longer runtime since they need to be charged less frequently, and require less power to charge to completion, which optimises the energy flow and decreases the costs. The range of operational temperature is conveniently wide from -20 to +60 degrees Celsius, which allows us to use the system in quite diverse environments, including those with the drastic day-to-night temperature changes. For your convenience, we ensured our system is compatible with most of the hybrid inverters models available on the market. To further guarantee the product's reliability, we ensured its compliance with the key battery certifications: UL 1642, IEC 62619, UN 38.3, ROHS and CE-EMC. Classic and elegant design of the product complements a wide variety of home decoration styles. The system is child and pet friendly with no exposed wires or hot parts. Our professional and friendly customer support team will ensure fast and efficient processing of your order, including the provision of trouble-free logistics. Huge experience accumulated by our company. Up to date, we delivered our products to over 80 countries from all over the world, allowing us to guarantee the total customer satisfaction. GSL Energy is a unique company with vertical integration of all processes and technologies required for energy storage systems production. We tirelessly invent the most advanced ways to provide you with a clean and intermittent power supply. More than 1.7 gigawatts of our products installed around the globe are the living testimony of our products' quality and reliability.